In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a PDF in Microsoft Edge, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to turn a regular PDF into a protected file that only opens with a password. Using the tools built right into Windows and Edge. First, open your PDF in Microsoft Edge. You can do this by double-clicking the file if Edge is your default PDF viewer. Or by right-clicking the file, choosing Open With, and selecting Microsoft Edge. You'll see the PDF displayed in the browser window with a toolbar across the top. Next, open the Print menu. The fastest way is to press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. If you prefer using the mouse, click the printer icon on the toolbar near the top right. This opens the Print dialog where you'll choose how to create the protected copy in the printer dropdown. Select Microsoft Print to PDF. This doesn't send the file to a physical printer, it creates a brand new PDF file. Think of it as resaving the document into a fresh PDF that you can configure with the settings you want. Now, set the password. In the Print dialog, look for Options or More Settings. Depending on your Windows version, you may see a section where you can enable security or add a password before saving. If you do, turn it on and enter a strong, memorable password, then confirm it. Keep in mind that a PDF password can't be recovered if it's forgotten. So store it somewhere safe. If you don't see any password or security option here, that means your current Windows or Edge setup doesn't expose this feature with Microsoft Print to PDF. In that case, use the online methods you trust or another PDF tool that clearly supports password protection. When you are ready, click Print. You'll be prompted to choose a save location and file name for the new PDF. Save it somewhere you can easily find. If password protection is supported on your system and enabled, the file you just created will require the password the next time it's opened. If you open it later and your viewer asks for the password, you've successfully protected it. That's all it takes. Open the PDF in Edge, open the Print menu. Choose Microsoft Print to PDF. And set the password from Options or More Settings when available. If it's not available on your system, switch to the online methods to achieve the same goal. Thanks for watching.